Dear students, I hope you all are well and healthy and enjoying online classes. As you have already done part 1 of unit 3rd, his first flight. So today we are going to start part 2nd. The name of the chapter is The Black Aeroplane, written by Frederick Forsyth. So let's start with the introduction of writer Frederick Forsyth. First of all, I'm going to tell about the author Frederick Forsyth. He was born on 25th August 1938 at Kent in England. He was educated at Tonbridge School and later joined the University of Granada in Spain. He joined the RAF and became a jet fighter pilot. His most famous works are The Day of the Jackal, The Dogs of War, The Fist of God, Avenger, etc. Before I start the story, I want to ask one question. Have you seen a black aeroplane? I know the answer will be no. The story, The Black Aeroplane, is the story of a pilot who is lost in a storm on his way back to England. Students now tell who helped the pilot to come out. The story ends with a note of mystery and suspense. Now I'm going to tell you the summary of this chapter. Now here's a summary of the chapter, The Black Aeroplane. This is a story of a pilot who is lost in a storm on his way back to England. And the pilot feels very happy and contented to fly over a city that is sleeping. That means at night time. And the author describes quite a unique but mysterious experience during his flight from Paris to London. During the flight, he dreamed about long holidays with his family. And he was also thinking about his English breakfast. At the same moment, as he crossed Paris, he was 150 kilometers away from Paris. He saw dark clouds. And it was not simple clouds, it was a coming up storm. At that time, the right decision would have been to turn back to Paris for the sake of safety. But the pilot, he was being overshadowed by his dreams and not wanting to delay them. He risked his life and heads straight into the storm. As he entered the storm, he was lost amid mountains of dark clouds. Everywhere darkness was there. He couldn't believe his eyes. The compass was dead. It stopped working. And he received no answer from Paris control either. He just tried to contact it, but he has lost his contact. At that time, he saw another aeroplane flying next to him through the storm. It was black in color. Narrator followed the strange black aeroplane till he could see the runway and he was safe. When he asked from the control center, he was told that no plane except his own was flying in the storm. And this is the end of the story. Now students, where did the aeroplane come from? Who was the man who asked him to follow him? Where did it disappear after leaving him in safety? These are the questions which are still surrounded in mystery. Do you think there was a black aeroplane? Might be. His inner soul, his faith. Because of that, he came out from that problem. This was the summary. Now I'm going to tell you about the theme of this story. Here the main argument of the story is that there is nothing like supernatural powers that help people in a time of crisis. Instead, it is the supreme power or the inner strength. Just think, the inner strength that is inside every human being. The inner strength helps them to fight against all adversities and overcome hurdles in life. It gives them confidence and belief in their own power to rise and bravely face the crisis. Students, if you have faith on yourself, you can come out from any problem easily, as the pilot of the Dakota came out from the problem. It was perhaps the pilot's courage that gave him faith. So, you should not lose courage and have faith on yourself. Students, here ends this video. In the second video, I'm going to explain about the title of the story. Then I'll explain the chapter paragraph wise, and then till the message given by the author. Thank you.